Healthy uses of baking soda you do not know. Caffeine reputation for baking soda is those who are natural type of baking soda known as nahcolite, which is one of the Natron family. Natron has high levels of those who are inside it. Baking soda is aluminium free and it is hence used as an component in lots of cuisines. It reacts when it's combined with acidity. It bubbles up and releases CO2. This property of baking soda enables the dough to increase up. Natural deodorant. Take 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda inside a bowl. Add a small amount of water into it. Make paste and apply in your armpits. Your body odor will vanish. Treats acid reflux and ulcer. Take 1/2 glass water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into it. Stir rid of it. Drink it. Do it again after every 2 hrs. Limit it to 3½ spoons of baking soda as a whole. Sunburn remedy. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add couple of drops water into it. Apply around the sunburn affected area. Let it dry. Wash with cold water. Do it again 3 times per week.